Okay, Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. So we meet again, but for this time, I will introduce or I will overview about SB015. Okay, but this one is for practical class. Okay, okay. So this is my name. So my name is Madam Nurhayati binti Samsudin. So I will handle your practical class also for this semester. Okay, so before we start, so actually this is the laboratory regulation. But since for this semester, our class is fully online, so maybe this one you have to apply during the next semester lah. But it's okay. So you just have to know what are the laboratory regulation. Okay, so the first one, you have to always wear the laboratory coats and covered shoes in the lab. So means that every time practical class is going on. Okay, so before you enter the laboratory, so you have to wear the lab coat first lah. Okay, and also you have to wear the shoes. And then second, do not eat or drink in the laboratory, and then use the apparatus and material wisely. Okay, and then next, do not throw rubbish and residuals into the sink. Okay, wrap and throw them into the dustbin provided. Okay, next, at the end of the experiment, student must be, so you have to clean the apparatus using the detergent provided, and then soak the apparatus in acidic solution containing mild hydrochloric acid, and then wash the sink and workstation. Next, make sure that all the tables are clean and neat. Okay, and then place the material and apparatus in their respective places. Okay. Okay, so for our practical class, okay, so since for this semester, our class are fully online. Okay, so I will explain to you, okay, what is going on in our practical class for this semester. Okay, so actually during practical class, we can divide into three modes. Okay, so if you look at here, the first one we call as pre-lab. So what is pre-lab? Okay, usually during pre-lab, you have to prepare. Okay, this is the time when you have to prepare, okay, before we conduct the experiment. Okay, for the example, so actually during pre-lab, I will give you the pre-lab module, okay, for each of the experiment, and then you have to answer the question in the pre-lab module based on each of the experiment lah. Okay, and then you will also have to watch demonstration video before conduct the experiment. Okay, so this one I will give you the link. Okay, and also the link for the experiment video, okay, will be given in your channel. Alright. Then for practical class actually this one, it is the time when you have to conduct the experiment. So actually since for this semester, okay, our class is online, so you have to conduct three experiment. Okay, and then this experiment is actually home-based experiment, means that the experiment that is suitable to conducted at your home. So for this one, later I will explain. Okay, and then the third one, post lab. Okay, so what is post lab? So every time you have already conducted the experiment, so what you have to do next? You have to do the lab report. Okay, so during post lab, actually it is the time where we discuss about the lab report and also what are your results lah. Okay, during the practical class. Okay. Okay then. One of the important, okay, in our practical class, actually, you have to do or you have to attend a practical test. Okay, so what is practical test? Okay, so since our class is online, okay, so this practical test is will be conducted at your home lah. So means that you have to carry out an experiment at your home. Okay, and then the experiment needs to be recorded. Okay, so maximum video duration is 30 minutes. This is the maximum video duration. Okay, so the maximum is 30 minutes, but I think the duration it is not reach the 30 minutes. Okay, and then evaluation for this test is based on your manipulative skill observed through your video. So your experiment video is important. Okay, because of what I will evaluate you based on your recorded video lah. Okay, then when you already conduct the experiment, so you have to write the lab report and you need to pass up the lab report. Okay, so for practical test, okay, the weightage marks or the weightage, the percentage, okay, will be given is 10%. And then for your lab report writing is 15%. So practical test here, this one is refers to your recorded video lah. So I will evaluate you based on your manipulative skill, okay, based on the video given. Okay, and then this is for the lab report. So the weightage for the lab report is 15%. Okay, so for this one, if you have any question, later you can ask me. Alright. Okay, so this is the lab report format. Okay, so how to write the lab report? You should follow this format. Okay, so the first one starts with title. Title refers to the title of the experiment. Okay, and then second, objective. Okay, third, introduction. Number 4, material apparatus. Okay, and then 5, procedures. So actually, title, objective, introduction, material apparatus, and also procedures, all of this you can get from your e-book booklet. Okay, e-book for practical lah. So for e-book, actually I have already upload in your Padlet, and also it has already upload in your channel lah. Okay, and then number 6, result or observation. This is based on your observation. Okay, what you obtain from the experiment. And then number 7, discussion. So this one you have to discuss about your result. Okay, and then 8, conclusion. Conclusion, it must be relate with your objective. Either you achieve, okay, the experiment is successful or not. Okay, and then 9, question. Okay, the question also you can refer to your ebook booklet. Okay, and then 10, reference. Okay, so for reference, I want you to write at least 3 references. It can be from any sources, either from books or from website. Okay, so this that's all for practical class. Okay, so if you have any questions, so you can ask me in group. Okay, so bye bye.